Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTag. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to invite people to your game when you're playing on your Xbox Series X. So I'm just going to load up Rocket League right now, and then I'm going to mute my TV here so none of the songs play. But when you're in the game, you can invite people easily to your specific lobby. So let's get to the lobby, and I can create a party on the bottom, so I'm going to press X real quick. So from here, I can just invite people in the game, which would work. But what if I want to go to the Xbox menus and invite people? Well, you can press the Xbox button, and then you can go on over to Friends, and you can view a friend under here. So let's go to this person's name, and then we can go to Invite right here, and then we can go to Invite to my game. So that's a way that we can invite them over. If we're in a party chat, so let's go over to Parties and Chats, and then scroll on down. We can go to on the top where it says invite more, or press the button with the 3 lines on it, invite more. It says invite to party on the top. We can switch this to invite to game. Then we can select someone under here. So let's go to this person right here, this person, and then go to send invite. So press the button. So you can send multiple invites at the same time. And the invite has been set for them to join my game in Rocket League. So you can very easily invite people to your specific game through the Xbox menus as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.